Yo guys, welcome back to another video. It's your boy ASAP Gaming, and today I'm going to be doing some more burps, guys. This is going to be part 4, and guys, I'm sorry I'm not going to be doing any more after this because I don't know, it's just not fun. So I'm going to be doing some more memes. I might do some more burp explosion memes, but not just doing burps, you know, guys. So yeah, let's get into it. That sucked. Actually, I can't do any. And guys, don't forget to comment down below which burp video you like the best. Okay, guys? Oh, nothing. So guys, comment down below if you want more. Keep on liking the videos and I will do more. Okay guys, so I'll catch you guys in another one. I think I'll just do one more burp for you. Whoa. My God. I just blew up China. Bro, I just blew up China. I just sent a burp wave just over to there to say, hello. Boom! It exploded. Yo guys, thanks for watching the video. Be sure to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell so when I upload some more burp videos. Also, don't forget to... Oh yeah, I got it, guys. Just comment down below if you want me to keep on doing burp videos, more burp videos. No, comment down below if you do or do not want me to do burp videos, or comment down below if you want me to do explosion ones, because I'm happy to do explosion ones, but just the normal ones. A bit, you know, not me, but if you guys like it, you know, I can keep going, guys. So yeah, I'll hit you up with part 4 right now. I will see you guys in another one.